Hey guys, we're excited to let you know that we're going to be at this weekend's Home and Garden Show at the HAPO Center in Pasco.
Yep, we'll have our Smile a Mile booth set up to answer any of your questions, help with colors, and schedule your painting projects.
So we've been attending the show for the last 6 years and it continues to grow just like our community. And this year we have 2 very exciting things in place for you. First is our special discount of 15% off all your painting projects.
This is your last chance to save big before spring. This 15% off won't last long. This sale goes from today until Sunday, so call in so we can get you scheduled.
Next, we're excited to announce what our big giveaway for the home show will be. Oh, hold on.
Don't mind us. What were you saying?
Oh yeah, we're giving away a TRAEGER.
So same rules as last time. Like and share this video, follow us here on Facebook, and comment down below who you are going to be barbecuing with this spring.
And for those of you at the home show, just sign up to win at our booth. We can't wait to see who wins.
Wish it was me.
We hope everybody has a great day and good luck. Bye.